October 5th, everybody. Good day. I hope everybody's fantastic. We're going to give you your real estate briefing this morning. Today's going to be the 5th of October, 2024. And of course, welcome to Santa Clarita Real Estate online. You can find me everywhere, but the best place would be, of course, the website, santaclaritaopenhouses.com. Now, we're going to go into the real estate data real quick on Saturday. This is a 7-day snapshot that we look at every single day. You want to see any of the past shows, just go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com. Now, in law enforcement, every second counts. What we did is we sized up the situation. We then gave it as much thought as possible, and then we went in. If it was a high-stress tactical situation, we did that. When it comes to real estate, time is not that critical, but it also is going to depend. Now, usually in real estate, you don't have those life and death decisions that are based on buying and selling a house. However, stress does cause a lot of damage. In law enforcement, I always found that it was the faster you got to a conclusion, most times the better. The longer you wait, it seems like things have a propensity to falling apart. In real estate, something is similar. What I always expect from my clients and explain to them is we need to go as fast as possible and then hold and wait for the other party to respond. We don't need to go too far with it because we don't look like we're desperate in any way, and be that the seller's side or the buyer's side. There's a certain psychology. The same thing in law enforcement. When you are standing toe-to-toe with somebody that looks like they're going to try to clean your clock because you need to take them to jail because they've committed some crime, that is not the time to back down, and that is not the time to find that weak nerve. Same in real estate. When you're approaching a buyer or a seller as a real estate agent dealing with their agents, again, you want to be there for your client. You want to explain what your client is worth and discuss everything about them to make that personal connection. Now, the worth thing is important because that comes down to how financeable they are. And besides knowing that your client might be this type of person and that type of person, it really is going to come down to credit worthiness and their ability to purchase the residence first and foremost. After that, all those other things fall into being. But if we're going to be completely honest, and I'm straight from the hip, just like on the police department. I don't pull punches and I don't sugarcoat anything. It really does come down to the money. There are some circumstances in real estate, I have seen it, where people might accept somebody's offer, money being the same, just a different circumstance that they liked better for whatever reason. But in real estate, for the most part, it does come down to the money. So as a buyer tip, I will tell you, when you go in with an offer, don't hold back. Whenever we were completing a police report, a criminal report, or an arrest report, we didn't leave anything out. Everything was very important. Same thing in real estate. When you make that offer, make sure that everything is included that you're going to need to be able to stand there. If you're missing one piece of paper, remember that time is of the essence thing? If you miss something at the very beginning, but every other offer that seller's agent received was complete and pristine, and yours was the only one that wasn't, because your agent dropped the ball or maybe didn't include anything, we have a problem because you might not get an opportunity to respond again. The agent might just look at it and say, you know what, it was a good try, but in essence, you didn't send me what I needed, and I'm dealing with professionals here, and it looks like you're somebody that just got out of the police academy. Now, for those people that get out of the police academy, there's a lot of honor because they went through training. In real estate, to get your license, you pass a test, albeit it's a difficult test, but the price of admission isn't much. What I bring to my real estate business is a long background as a first responder in law enforcement, and that does give me a very capable edge when it comes to representing buyers and sellers of real estate. All right, so we have the 81 new listings that have hit the market in the past 7 days, 15 listings coming soon, 67 properties have had their prices changed. 31 properties have gone under contract, 68 properties have closed, and as far as the price changes and expired listings, there are listings that have expired, and we do see a majority of listings that enter the market. The changes that occur, those are actually reductions in listing price. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you so much for watching our Saturday's broadcast. We'll be back tomorrow. not ashamed of being here and helping. I hope everybody's well. Let me know when I can help. We'll talk to you soon.